Hello and welcome to how to make an accessible web page using the built-in HTML editor on Google Classroom. So I'm going to be honest, Google Classroom does not do this very effectively, but you can go to assignment in order to create your assignment. And what it means by the built-in HTML editor is basically the instructions section right here. In order to make it more accessible, you should bold your title, and you could even use all capital letters for your title if you really wanted to in order for it to stand out. And then if you wanted to continue on, the only real options that you have here is text information. You can just use the paragraph, or you could change this and use the italics to make it stand out, or you could even use the underline in order to make it stand out. But that is really all that the built-in text has in order to make your information stand out. I would definitely recommend using maybe like a combination of these for important information and keep it normal. So always bolding and using capital letters for your title, for example. Maybe you always underline links or important words. Just making sure that you keep it the same throughout all of your categories. Now, what you could do is you could upload a Word document and have your instructions on a Word document, and then use the different headings and different text options on a Word document to make your assignment more accessible for those students. Thanks for watching.